Hey, what's up guys? So the watch face that I'm reviewing today is called Retro Classic, and this one is from developer DK. So as you can already see that this watch face has a retro look, and when I came across this watch face on the Play Store, it reminded me of my years old Casio watch that I used to wear when I was in school. And I was suddenly nostalgic and I wanted to buy this watch face, and that is one of the reasons why I'm bringing this watch face to you as well. So this watch face to me feels like a merger between retro watch faces with modern smartwatches, and I really like it. So I decided to give it a go and review this watch face. So aesthetics are very simple. We have got this display in the middle where you can see all the information. We've got our digital time here, day and date at the top, battery, heart rate, steps and seconds. Now let's take a look at some of the customization options. So first of all, we have display where you can change the color. So very subtle changes in color, but this one is more prominent. It's like a gradient between blue and green, and then it has got some design in the background as well. Then we have image. So this is basically the background. You can see these patterns, different patterns as I scroll across. So you can give it a bit more character and a different feeling than just a plain looking watch face. So I'll keep this one. And then finally we have 4 complications to add. So let's go through the list of complications. So here you can add app shortcuts, Bixby, recent apps and all the fitness features and shortcuts, and then Google Assistant, Bixby routines, camera controller, bookmarks and even voice recorder. So you can add these complications to this watch face as well. One of my favorite ones is recent apps, so I'll select that, press OK. So there you go, we have a different look now. We have color, we have got texture around the watch face, and it feels really cool and really sleek now. And this is how it looks like when the always on display turns on. It just gets dim, but all the elements remain the same. So not good for battery life, but if you want to keep it on, that's how it will show up. So there you go guys, that's the Retro Classic watch face for you from developer DK, and I will put the link of this watch face in the description below if you want to check it out. And that's about it from this video. I will see you in the next one.